Omorokio munene bwa skuru ya Mubamba yotoka se sub county ya Masaba South Dr. George Ogochi nigo gosaine keira babwatani bekisemi buna nigo babegetemero beresaine yokoenekia amachibwa maya ya matemwa se amatkare bosio yemaiga ya skuru yogo koria buyana kworokia amachibwa maya ase abetege konyora emini ya 9.2 asaboroki babonsi bachete university.
We've seen this great improvement when we managed to score a mean score of 9.3, up from 5.1, being a positive deviation of 4.13. Now we have a very committed team of the teaching staff. Our non-teaching staff are also very, very motivated, upbeat. We have a focused BOM and our PTA. Our parents are very cooperative, and we also are very lucky as a school because we have a very, very supportive community. Members of the community have ensured that there is no indiscipline that can happen around the school. Teachers were here throughout. You will not even know a weekend, difference between a weekend and a weekday. And students received a lot of conduct, teacher conduct time that was adequate, up to very late, up to 9, sometimes 10. There were several practicals that were conducted by our teachers. And this was the most disciplined group in our school. Everybody who has been here for a long time actually did a test that indeed they behaved very well and they were always ready and willing to learn. And we do believe that with this concerted effort, we are going to maintain our lead and make this school an epitome of success in this region.